Happy?
The people inside are clean and happy too. Oh.
We make junk disappear.
The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Floyd County in northwestern Texas, northwestern Crosby County in northwestern Texas, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Cone, or 8 miles south of Floydada, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cone. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Full-sized foods that really fill you up. Upgrade to a small Blizzard for just $2.